Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 10th question in exercise 7.13. The marginal revenue of selling X units of a commodity is given by MR is equal to 20 into e power x by 10 into 1 plus x by 10. If the revenue obtained on selling 10 units of the commodity is rupees 200e, find the revenue function. So what is revenue function? R of x is nothing but integral of mr dx. So let's perform the integration. So R of x is nothing but integral of, now I'm going to multiply this term wise. So this is 20 e power x by 10 dx plus this is integral of 20 e power x by 10 into there is going to be an x by 10 dx, because I'm breaking this integration into two parts. So R of x is nothing but, here 20 is common, so 20 into e power x by 10 dx plus here also take the 20 outside. So this is integral of e power x by 10 into, there is an x, I'm going to keep that here, however I'm taking the 10 outside dx. Now let's perform the actual integration. So R of x is going to be equal to 20 into e power x by 10 divided by 1 by 10 plus 2 into, now this is going to be x e power x by 10 dx. I have not yet performed the integration out there. So first let's simplify. So this is R of x is equal to 200 e power x by 10 plus 2 into integral x e power x by 10 dx. Now this is of the form u dv. So I'm going to identify the u and dv. So u is going to be equal to x. So du is equal to dx. dv is going to be equal to e power x by 10 dx. So v is going to be integral of e power x by 10 dx, which is nothing but e power x by 10 by 1 by 10. On simplification, it is 10 e power x by 10. Now let's substitute all these values here. R of x is going to be equal to 200 e power x by 10 plus 2 into, now uv, so this is going to be 10x e power x by 10, now minus integral v du, so this is going to be integral of 10 e power x by 10 dx. So now let's perform the integration. So R of x is going to be equal to 200 e power x by 10 plus 20x e power x by 10. Now this is minus 20 into integral e power x by 10 dx. So R of x is going to be equal to 200 e power x by 10 plus 20x e power x by 10 minus 20 into e power x by 10 by 1 by 10 plus k. So I'll simplify this final expression once again. So R of x is going to be equal to 200 into e power x by 10 plus 20x e power x by 10 minus, this will become 200 e power x by 10. So this is going to be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled, plus k is there. So the final R of x is going to be equal to 20x e power x by 10 plus k. Now what is it they have given? On selling 10 units, the commodity's revenue obtained is going to be 200e. So let's substitute. R of 10 is going to be equal to 200e, which is nothing but, let's substitute here 10. So this is 200e power 10 divided by 1 is 10 is 1. So this is again 10 plus k. So on simplification, k is equal to 0, which means your final R of x is going to be equal to just 20x e power x by 10. So this is going to be the final answer. In the next video, we will find the solutions for questions in exercise 7.14. See you in the next video. Bye.